What should you do if ICE comes to your door? Imagine you hear a knock at your door, and when you look through the peephole, you see agents from Immigration and Customs Enforcement. What should you do? It is essential to understand your rights and how to protect yourself and your family, especially from a perspective that values political freedom and individual rights. First, know your rights. You have the right to remain just silent. This means you do not have to answer questions about your immigration status or where you were born. You also have the right to ask if the agents have a warrant. If they do not show you a valid warrant signed by a judge, you do not have to let them in. Even if they present a warrant, ensure it is specific to your address and signed by a judge. Vague warrants do not give agents the right to enter your home. You can refuse consent for a search of your home without a warrant. Next, do not open the door immediately. Instead, speak through the door or a window. Ask the agents to slip the warrant under the door or hold it up so you can see it. While you should not physically resist the agents, do not invite them inside without verifying their legal authority. It is also crucial to contact an attorney immediately. Have the phone number of a trusted immigration lawyer or a legal aid organization readily available. Inform your lawyer about the situation as soon as possible. If you do not have a lawyer, ask for one or reach out to local immigrant rights groups for assistance. Another important step is to avoid signing anything without legal advice. Agents may ask you to sign documents, but do not sign anything without consulting your attorney first, as it could impact your immigration case. Preparation is key. Keep important documents like identification and immigration papers in a safe but accessible place. Have a plan for your family and children in case you are detained. It is also wise to know your community resources and legal aid organizations that support immigrants. Understanding the broader context is essential. Many ICE raids have faced legal challenges for violating constitutional rights, such as protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. Aggressive immigration enforcement tactics have been criticized for creating fear and distrust in immigrant communities, undermining political freedom and individual rights. Local governments and civil rights organizations often work to protect immigrant rights and may provide support during ICE actions. From a liberal perspective, protecting individual rights and ensuring due process are fundamental. It is vital that ICE respects constitutional protections and that communities stand against unlawful raids that threaten the freedoms and dignity of immigrants. Being informed and prepared helps uphold these principles and safeguard personal liberties.